This is to explain the script we have run on the lithium pad cell. The first step is open circuit for 20 seconds, then go to the next step. The next step is galvanostatic impedance at zero bias current with an amplitude of 0.1 milliamps between 62 kilohertz and 0.1 hertz. The recording criteria are set so as to record the sine waves at low frequencies. Once this impedance measurement is finished, we go to the next step. And this next step is for the first time applying a constant current of 2 milliamps. Do that for 300 seconds, then go to the next step. The next step is galvanostatic impedance, now at a current of 0 milliamps relative to the previous step. So again, we apply a current of 2 milliamps, which is modulated with an amplitude of 0.1 milliamps between 62 kilohertz and now 10 hertz. The recording criteria are off, so that the sine waves are not recorded during this step, meaning that we record all the impedance data, but we don't record the time-wise data showing the sine waves. This is to avoid an excessive amount of data during this step. Once this step is finished, we go back to step 2 for 40 loops, resulting in overall cycle time of 4 hours. So after 4 hours, we enter into step number 4, which is again constant current, now with minus 2 milliamps. After 300 seconds, go to the next galvanostatic impedance step, same parameters as in step number 3. So now a constant current, bias current of minus 2 milliamps is applied by using this notation here, milliamp relative to the previous step, and the parameters are the same as before. Again, we don't record the sine wave. And once this step is finished, we go back to step number 4, again for 40 loops. So we loop between step 5 and 4 for overall about 4 hours. And then go to the next step, step number 6, which is just here in order to loop, to go back to step number 2. Do that twice and then the script is finished.